First cut.
Smile.
Oh, i-follow kita nimo.
Fine. Ang may choice nga follow mo natin.
Pero si Patrick yung maglayang betul ko.
Okay? But the white one is for the raft, isn't it a raft? It's a small boat, right? How many of you have tried riding a small boat? You know how speedboats are so fast because they're doing like this? If I'm riding that, they will do more like this, right? So keeping the boat afloat is kind of like that. They need to balance the boat. Okay? Are you ready? Very good. Okay. There's an R. There's an R. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's an R here. There's an R here. You're the miscellaneous. Very good. Very good. Alright. Listen to the next instruction. Listen to the next instruction. Here we go. Let us keep the boat afloat. Group yourselves according to height. Have your attention, please. We have some really competitive people who are in the shared services, right? I see some of them saying, come here, we're 5 people, and one is coming, 5'1". Really competitive. My goodness. Oh my God. All right. Very good. Very good. One more, and let's see who's the winning team. One.
And so when the timekeeper says stop, you'll stop. Brian, do you have your phone on you? I do. I'm going to ask you.
Ang base, okay na.
Hoy, nahulot nagkabali.
Ayaw, may biya daw.
No!
Ang base na itong kanan.
Naglupad magod ang char.
Nabukan siya sa paspalo.
Naka na daw. Ay, wait. Pabos na ito.
Ayun, ari din.
Eastern portion ng Mountain Province at Tagiliran po sa Ilocos Norte. Nasa ilalim naman sa Kahamrawan, natitirang bahagi po ng Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, natitirang bahagi ng Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet, natitirang bahagi ng Abra, Ilocos Sur, La Union at pati na rin sa Pangasinan. At kasama rin po dyan itong Nueva Ecija, Aurora, sa 200mm of rain na kasino pong ibagsak ng bagyo dito sa Batanes, ganun din sa Cagayan, kasama na ang Babuyan Islands. Heavy to intense naman dito po yan sa may Ilocos provinces, Apayao, Abra, Isabela, Occidental Mindoro, ganun din po sa Calamian Islands at pati na rin sa Antique. Katantaman hanggang sa mga malalakas sa pag-ulan naman sa Kalinga, Benguet, Mountain Province, La Union, San Carlos Occidental,